What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the video. Well, today, we're going all the way back to talk about my channel from a year ago. Well, today is March 20th, 2019. Last year when my channel was made, March 20th, 2018. 19 this time. So we're looking back all the way back, when my old recorder was here. So yeah, my first videos were still like and Crow because I made these 3 videos all in the same day. Without me knowing it. And these. Then here's the first part of Build Report. It's my 6th video. Part 1. And then update. This update. I'm gonna soon start reacting to my old videos. Yeah. And then here. Now my old recorder actually went up to 14 minutes. And yeah. And then considering both of these, it took 20 minutes to complete it. And only one part made it all the way to the end. That's crazy. And that was part 2. Let's say we did it. And then my first Booga Booga video. Then Booga Booga again. Then this one, showing 2 restaurants, I spelled it wrong. And then, that's why I haven't made a video in a while, because I was sick then. And then, Booga Booga, Apocalypse Rising, Build a Boat, Booga 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 Booga, Hard Enough TV, one more update. But yeah, I always remember this video. This one, Sad Booga Booga. Yeah, and then the first video, well actually, this was the first video with Wolf. Yeah, this was the first video with Wolf instead of this one. Yeah. Anyways, then this voice came out. I turn after that. The hardest Ari, which is the same as the hard Ari. I don't know. Then Booga Booga, the hateful dog. And then, how to make horseshoes, I still don't know after 10 months. Sorry, I'm making random boats. Yeah, I don't know why it took 1 month to make a video. Using my second pistol. The lids. Oh yeah, my new camera. Update for lids. Then I made my first gameplay talking in Minecraft Part 1. This one did really good. I wish I could do more Minecraft, but I don't know. I don't think. Then there's I don't know why. Then I hit 10 subscribers. 4th of July, though, that was fun. Yeah. It was crazy. And super funny, honestly. And then I started making Song for All You, my first ever song. It was recorded in Hawaii. Yep, Hawaii was beautiful. Then, 2 more videos later, I made another song called Route City. That took the most amount of people. This one, 3 people. Me, Ryan, Anthony. And then 1 hitter was right after that, Retail Tycoon. And this one was Lake which is still getting views every day. Oh my goodness. I'm surprised I even did really good. And then 15 subscribers. Let's see how long it took. Just 2 months, I think. Oh, yeah. 2 months and I hit 50. This was my original intro. And then for some reason. Oh yeah, and then Texan Slam. There's one probably coming soon. Maybe today. And there might be a Roblox video. Probably a Roblox video coming today. A Warrior Simulator or Booga Booga. Probably Warrior Simulator. There's 50 vs 50. Right, so, I remember making this one really good. I remember the whole time. Then thanks for the support. What was this video about before? Oh yeah. Here's my old intro. Yep. This used to be it, but now it's back to, well, not back to this. It's now this one, Oh yeah, 50 videos. Yeah, 50 videos. 16 subscribers. Yeah. I haven't made a video on, that one. About like videos. I made a lot of videos. So where was I at? I was at Thanks Spots for this a lot. Oh, it's somewhere over here. Oh yeah, I'm so close. Half done. Alright. I was up to something around here. But yeah, And that was right here. I was so close. It was literally, I was excited. But then, oh wait, yeah. It was 20 subscribers, no. It was for 1,000 views. It was for 50 subs again. I don't know why I did 2 videos. Well, actually, no, wait, that's the one I just saw. Yeah. Oh yeah, my 2 stories that I wrote. I don't know why I made Casper's say KK's news and then my first ever banner. Took me 20 minutes. I have no idea why. It's so easy. I made Believe in Yourself and then all this. This is the screen record I'm using right now. This one, I know how to. This is what I was mad about. Hoot Lake. Oh, Hoot Lake is apparently it doesn't even look a light anymore. This is when I was a bouncy. Thanks for 20 subscribers. Yeah. And then this is telling how I wanted to do my YouTube. Then the T-Post group. This one, I don't use it anymore. I don't use it. Cause this video, when I was Rabbit's Kingdom Battle fail. Oh yeah, this is when I told my laptop broke. Yeah, that sucked. Anyways, vote for next video, Super Mario Odyssey. Then I made my channel trailer. This is the reason why it took so many videos till I used my laptop, because of a week. And Heroes Food is gonna be ruined for this video. But I deleted this video, so done this one, and then made again, KK's News, and then first, I still do KK News. Right, and I made a channel then. Roblox, Roblox State, Title 2. Okay, now part 3 and 4, I gotta say, were the next day. a day apart. Time for this was the big day, but then I didn't even think of it. But so many stars like that. We hit 1,000. Can we hit? This one, for some reason, got private. 50 more views. For some dumb reason. And then bad news and my camera broke. Thanks for tons of views, bouncy bouncy. I like that song. Now we're here at Christmas. I stopped making them for some reason. Natural disasters. Thanks for 21 subs and the support. Spelt wrong. Of course. Farthest one to go. I don't like that one. I didn't really like it. I don't know why, but I just didn't like it. How did I do it for New Year's? It was my New Year's special. I had to make one, okay? Team Diet takes you no talking. I made these on the same day. Well, actually, I don't know how that one. And I was thinking, make songs that I made. That's at the Super Bowl. Wait. Let me say something. I made a video. Like a few weeks Yes, this is when the Super Bowl was happening. Then Retail Tycoon Part 1 and 2 are on top of each other. Then my quiz. It's 3. I stopped making videos for a while. Yeah. I kept stopped making them. Then I made this. I made a song for the KKCs. I'm trying my best to do weekly now. I can't do daily uploading. But I'm trying to do weekly. Every week I'll make a video or more. So yeah. Anyways, and also check out my second YouTube. It's right here. I'm soon gonna make a video on this. I think it's gonna be like a news video probably. He's using money. Probably gonna be a news video. Anyways, that's about it for this video. Hopefully I can find an outro for when I hit 50 subscribers. This is gonna be a really special thing. A lot of stuff. And hopefully I'll have a better screen recording. But hopefully my channel gets better for the future. And yeah, my channel's been making and all that. Anyways, that's about all I have to say. Anyways, check out my KK's News and Money and KK Accelerator. It's gonna be at the, it's right here. It should be popping up right now. Anyways, that's about it for this video. Anyways, see you in the next video. Bye!